Samal to provide a better quality of life for the people of Samal by ensuring efficient and effective delivery of basic services for inclusive growth and sustainable development through transparent, accountable, and participatory governance. So for our vision, by year 2025, Samal is one of the most progressive towns in the province of Bataan through sustained agro-industries leading to improved quality of life for every Samalinos. So for the Samal municipal profile, Samal is located on the eastern part of Bataan, which is very near the coastal side of the province, approximately 10 kilometers from Balanga City, which is the provincial capital, and 162 kilometers from Manila. The municipality of Samal is under the jurisdiction of Honorable Alexander C. Acosar as the incumbent mayor, and it is founded by the following municipalities, namely on the north, by the municipality of Orani, on the south, Mabukay, on the west, Mount Native Municipal, which is part of the municipality of Orani, and on the east by Manila East. So, bali, ito po yung si Mayor Alex po, together with our Vice Mayor and the rest of the SB members. So, Samal is a recorded land area with a total of 5,630 hectares, and the lowlands and plains which covers approximately 23.6% of the total land area are generally flat, rising towards the hills, while the uplands cover approximately 76.4% of the total land area. The municipality of Samal ranks number 9 by land area in the province of Bataan, and it has 48 barangays. Previously classified po kami as a 4th-class municipality and belonging to the 1st district of political and geographical subdivision in the province of Bataan, with Honorable Geraldine Roman as the incumbent 1st district representative of the House of the Representatives. So last February, nagkaroon po kami ng classification and classify na po kami as second-class municipality. So, bali, ito po yung 14 barangays po namin. First po is yung East Caliliman, land area, 99.2 hectares. East Albago, 3.3 hectares. Gugo, 750.3. Ibaba, Imelda, Lawigan, Palili, San Juan, San Roque, Sapa, Santa Lucia, Tabitilo, and West Calaliman, and West Calaliman. For our municipal health office, our mission is to